My name is Humphrey, and I have a very, very big secret. Last year, the Ghanaian index did over 56%, while the S&P 500 from the US only did 23%. The second big secret is this: there are over 100 million retail investors in Africa. We tried to invest in an IPO last year, and I'm from Kenya, my co-founder is from Botswana, and the IPO was in South Africa. It took us over 6 weeks to get a brokerage account, and by the time we got our brokerage account, the IPO was over, and we missed this golden opportunity. So we ask ourselves, why are Africans not investing in our own capital markets? And we found out that our markets are too fragmented and too siloed, and that is how we built mystocks.africa. We are integrating multiple stock exchanges into one application, and no matter where you are in the world, you can buy African stocks, African bonds at the comfort of your own phone, no matter where you are in the world.
The food is so good, you have to eat it twice. My name is Humphrey. I'm CEO of mystocks.africa. So, I'm going to share with you 3 secrets. Charlie hinted at the first one. Africa's capital markets are too cheap right now. The dollar valuations are too low, and if you're an astute investor, this is the best time to put money in African stock markets. The JSE in Ghana up over 56%, NGX 37%, and this year, for obvious reasons, the S&P is down over 5%. What does this mean? The second secret is this: there are over 100 million retail investors in Africa and over 50 million investors in the diaspora looking for yield, where to put in their dollars. And the best place to put their dollars is actually in Africa's public markets and bond markets. The third amazing secret is this: regardless of the situation, Africa's capital markets are growing at an annual rate of 10 to 15%. Our assets under management as a continent is just $1 trillion, which is a tiny percentage of the global market. So what is the problem? Our markets are too fragmented and too siloed. This makes the ability to access investment opportunities face extreme friction and bottlenecks. And that is why we have built mystocks.africa. With this application, no matter where you are in the world, you can invest in African stocks, bonds, funds, and IPOs. For our institutional investors, we built an operating system that you can access multiple markets using our AI. How did we do this? We've integrated the top 5 major indexes. At the end of the year, we will integrate the Egyptian, Tunisian, and Moroccan capital markets into the application. Our traction is quite good. Already we have a demand pipeline of over $70 million in funds. And our retail market is actually exploding in numbers from all over the continent. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a multi-billion-dollar opportunity. Imagine funds from the US, investment banks, trading firms, family offices looking to invest in Africa. We predict that in the next 1 year, in the next 4 years, 1 out of every 4 trades will happen on our platform, and 1 out of every 6 bond trade will be on mystocks.africa. My background is in finance. I was part of the founding team of the East Africa Commodities Exchange. My co-founder is a financial markets operator, and we are coached by the best person in the world in African technology, Mr. E. If you really want to get in and the train is about to leave, you can buy your tickets at Future Africa. Thank you.